Welcome. I have a fabulous collab with DIY with Aurora, One Way Designs 238, and Twisted Serenity. And make sure you check out their channels and the playlist in the description box. First up, we have a wall decor. This is for Mother's Day, and it's a farmhouse style. We need 3 wood planks, or 4.5 by 4.5, and then white chalk paint to paint each of them. I will be back once that is completed. While these 3 are drying, get started on the next, which is to use a long wall plaque. It's blank. For some reason, it's lost footage. Sorry. I painted it in black chalk paint. And while that is drying, we can work on the white squares again. We use some buffalo check, gingham ribbon, glue the top and the bottom with each ribbon. And once that is completed, we'll be back. Well, that didn't take long. Next, we're using the big poster stickers from Dollar Tree, and we're going to spell out the word mom. We all know how to spell mom, M-O-M. It's the same backwards and forwards. Mom's always there, even though you're backwards and forwards sometimes, right? And once that is completed, then we can move on to the next step, which is using Mod Podge. I decided to use the glossy Mod Podge because I didn't want to use the matte finish on this particular. I wanted to give it a little shine to stick out. So you can put Mod Podge over everything, the letter, the ribbon. And once that's dry, of course, I will be back as usual. Now this is completed. You can pull out the black wood strip, and I'm using Dollar Tree's metal ribbon to give it kind of like that farmhouse chicken wire look. And make sure when you glue it down with hot glue to cover the ends of the metal with hot glue, otherwise it can scrape your wall or scrape your fingers, so be careful. And I will be back once all this is completed. Now the hot glue is dry. It's time to turn it over and put our words mom down. I took a little time to try to make it even. I separated the letters about 2.5 inches apart from each other. You can estimate, do what it feels comfortable. You can put it all together, or if you want to stretch it out more, it's up to you. Options are endless. Or even if you want to turn it, is it vertical, and put the word mom vertical, you can do that as well. And I will glue these down and we'll be right back. Now that that is glued down, we are going to put the twine to hang the plaque. I use regular twine. I use the lighter to burn the excess edges. That's totally up to you. Then I put duct tape down to hold it in place, and I use hot glue to seal it. And this was a very easy project that you can do for Mother's Day, or you can do it for any time. You just, whatever words you can fit on there. It's, endless possibility, as they say. And it came out wonderful. I love it. It's a wonderful gift that you give to a mom, your mom, or someone else's mom. Fun, fun, fun. Let me know, what do you think about it? Is number one your favorite? In the comment section down below, please let me know. It would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now we're moving on to number 2. With this project, I use a picture frame. It says the word love, and I took it apart, and I decided black was a little too stark for my farmhouse look, kind of. So I watered down some white chalk paint. Looking back, it's totally up to you. You could spray paint it if you want to give it a more, complete look. Through mine, you can still see some of the black, so that's fine. It's kind of the part of the theme, so it's totally up to you and your decision of what you want to do with it. So I completely painted it, and once I am done, I will be back. While that is drying, I will move on to the next portion, and it's the heart, the paper that the heart comes in. I covered it with buffalo check. Sorry, there's some lost footage. Again, I cannot believe it. And I just covered it with the Dollar Tree buffalo vinyl, and there we have the heart. On the glass, I'm using letters that were either from Hobby Lobby or Tuesday Morning. Either way, with both was on clearance. If I got it from Hobby Lobby, it was on clearance, and if I got it from Tuesday Morning, it was already discounted. And I'm centering these words on the glass heart, the word mom. And once that's completed, I will put it on top of the regular heart and put it into the word love. I will be back once again. Oh, I'm back a little sooner than I thought, and I'm just making final touches on the photo frame. It's kind of like a farmhouse photo frame with a little kind of green. It's like a kind of like moss green. So I really enjoyed making this project. You don't even have to make it for mom. You could put someone's name up there, or you can just save it for Valentine's Day next year. I know that's a long way away, but hey, as crafters look forward. Also, I want to give out another shout out to our lovely hosts, DIY with Aurelia, One Way Design 238, Twisted Serenity. Make sure you check out their channels and watch their videos, and look forward to watching the playlist in the description box so you can check out everyone's channels and videos. This is all I have. I really enjoyed making these projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as I always say, be blessed.